In this video, we will show you how to replace your air filter housing assembly on this Chevy Silverado. This will be located along the passenger side front of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is remove the air inlet tube from the air filter housing. You'll find this is held in place with one 8mm headed clamp. You can also use a flathead screwdriver if necessary. Loosen the clamp just enough that you can remove the air inlet tube from the air filter housing. We'll just give this a quick inspection, and you can set that aside for now. To remove the air filter, you're going to have to remove 4 Phillips head screws that hold the upper cover down to the housing. These screws stay in the upper cover. We'll continue on loosening all the rest. Remove that housing cover, set that aside for now. Let's take hold of the air filter here. We'll lift that straight up and out. Give it a quick inspection, make sure it is still reusable. This one looks fine. Set it aside. At this point, take hold of the lower housing and give it a little tug straight up and out of here. There it is, friend. With that out of place, let's make sure that we clean our 2 rubber grommets for the mounts and inspect the plate. Make sure those are soft and pliable still. Okay friend, it's time to install our brand new air filter housing. Before we put this in position, let's remove the upper air filter housing cover. For this, you're going to find that you have 4 T25 torque screws holding it in place. Now let's insert our lower housing. As we bring this down in place, have a look down along the bottom of the air filter housing. You'll find that I add a thin amount of lubricant along each one of my locating tabs. That'll make it a little easier to press into place. Let's start bringing this down into the proper position. Slide that in. We're paying attention to each one of those locating ears on the bottom of the box. Once you feel as though you have it lined up, go ahead and press it in. Give that a loving tug. Make sure it's secured to the body of the vehicle. Now that we have the air filter housing completely secure, we'll continue on with our air filter. Take this, put it in position, confirm it's seated properly. You need to have a good seal. Continue on to the upper air filter housing cover. Once we get this in position, you also want to make sure that you have a good seal of the air filter all the way around the box. Should sit on there nice and easy. Continue on with starting in each of your 4 mounting bolts. We're not going to tighten any of these yet until we have all of them started in. Okay, let's snug them up. Continue on to your air inlet tube. Look at the seal on this. You'll notice that you have a seal on the inboard side here, and that seal continues to the outboard side. So essentially, we want to make sure we have the air filter housing in between those two areas of the seal. We'll take this and press it into position, making sure that we have a great seal, and then tighten up that mounting clamp. I can see I'm properly aligned here. Double check to make sure your clamp is completely secure. You do not want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, go ahead and close the hood, start up your vehicle, take it for a road test, make sure you have no check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.